Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating a Telegram channel is super simple and a great way to share content with your audience. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have Telegram yet, download it from the App Store. Step 2. Look for the menu button, usually 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, and tap it. From there, select the option to create a new channel. This will start the setup process. Step 3. Choose a name for your channel that clearly represents what it's about. Make it memorable and relevant to your content so people know what to expect when they join. Step 4. Write a description that explains the channel's purpose. This description shows up when people search for your channel, so make it compelling and informative about what members will find. Step 5. Decide whether you want your channel to be public or private. Public channels can be found through search, while private channels require an invite link. You can also add a profile picture and banner to make your channel look professional. Once you hit create, your channel is live and ready to start posting content and growing your community.